The deadliest problem in cars met a simple V-shaped fix, and Volvo gave it away. Early cars rolled off the line with no belts at all, and crashes were brutally unforgiving. As roads got faster, laws lagged behind, so families rode unrestrained on cold metal seats. Car makers tried simple lap belts, which held hips but left the chest and head unprotected. In hard impacts, lap belts could jackknife bodies, causing internal injuries and spinal damage. A three-point idea appeared in 1951, but poor comfort and design kept it from catching on. Then came Niels Bohlin, an ex-aviation engineer obsessed with keeping bodies aligned during crashes. In 1959, he perfected the V-shaped three-point belt, quick to buckle, comfy to wear, and secure. Rather than guard the patent, Volvo opened the design so rivals could copy it immediately. More than 1 million lives have been saved. What safety invention today deserves to be shared freely?